So you're thinking about getting a Samsung Galaxy Flip 4, but you're not sure what color matches your beautiful eyes. Well, this video is what you've been looking for. And I will say the new Samsung Galaxy colorways are flipping awesome. And if you wouldn't mind giving the subscribe button a little flip. Okay, that makes no sense, but you get what I'm trying to say. I'd appreciate it. Anyway, let's get a close-up look at the colors of all the new Galaxies from Samsung. So first up, we have what I'm calling Sierra Blue, but what Samsung call Blue. It is awesome, and my second favorite of the lineup. It's got a soft touch matte finish on the back. It's got a shiny metal frame with a blue tint, and this accents the light blue shade perfectly. The hinge has been reduced in size this year, and this also has that blue metallic shine to it. And I will say the reflective nature of the hinge does kind of draw your eye to it. And in darker lighting conditions, this particular color kind of looks grey. And I do like how you get a little bit of bling, a little bit of sparkle when the light hits the double barrel camera modules on the back. Okay, this next one is called Pink Gold. And to me, when I saw this in person, I would say it kind of looks like a peach pink and a rose gold combo. And this is arguably the most expensive looking due to the rose gold tint that it kind of has. But what I really like about the design of the Flip 4s in general is how the cover screen just looks like a seamless part of the design and not necessarily a screen. And Samsung have improved the functionality on the cover screen quite significantly this year. And I love how when you open it, you've got that full smartphone functionality, but the back of the device kind of resembles a Google Pixel 3 in a way. And I like the design on that phone. The fingerprint scanner on the side has a chamfered edge gradient reaching down to the Bixby button, if you want to call it that, or power button if you're a Samsung Galaxy OG like me. My first ever Samsung Galaxy was the S3 back in the day. Let me know, what was yours? So anyway, the pink gold is a good choice for the ladies, and I'm sure it will complement a designer handbag nicely. And now the stealth bomber, the silent assassin, the Graphite. So this to me is the safest option of the Flip 4s. It's got a beautiful frosted shade of black on the back and black metallic bezels and hinge, as well as shiny gloss black around the camera modules and cover screen. And it's just like Samsung wanted to paint it black. And that reminds me of a Rolling Stones song, which I can't remember the name of. Anyway, this one is awesome. It's low key, it's classy, and maybe the most understated of the lineup. The only downside to this one is it is a little bit of a fingerprint magnet. And have you ever heard of that saying? It's nothing that a bit of spit and polish won't fix. Yeah, never do that with this phone because that would be gross. Okay, now my favorite, Bora Purple. Now this one is my favorite, and I wish there was a Galaxy Z Fold 4 with this color. It is the Thanos of the Samsung Galaxy Flip 4s. For me, this is the one that immediately jumped off the shelf and grabbed my attention. It's got a soft matte glass finish, just like the others. The metal frame has a slight purple tint, and I like how the silver purple hinge contrasts with the gentle purple on the back. And that subtle purple color that it has accentuates the black cover screen glass. It's a strong look and a nice setup if you're the type of person who's brave enough to rock it. And the name Bora Purple got me thinking, what the hell is Bora? Well, as it turns out, Bora in Korean means purple, which makes this phone purple purple, which kind of makes sense. But check this out, if you add hey to the end of Bora, you get Borhei, and that in Korean means I will be there for you and trust you always. And I like that saying. So if you've just subscribed, I say to you, Borhei, and I'll be here creating more Samsung Galaxy content for you guys in the future, tips, tricks, camera comparisons, and all that good stuff. So Borhei to you good people, and I will see you in the next one, so don't be late.